Yema nyina machi emfamra bedwem so ebra wie de se de bedwem kase ebetoam so anopai smede ebanie edimu akotre bi enesem bamofo akwakokyere enubia nanka efri Ghana akọ Niger yesene bo esombese 20 million Ghana cedis abanso afohwe ensase ene kwabretu ho ensem so ababonte de abetudwa esene wapa okobehwe aboa se ne be ya efmagude tu basa de betimi aso ano we enensem do bi na anopai mede esomo ese bedwem kase mede de akwasi ensia afeisem ne kiremu enie sempen ho betimi ahwe aboana enubone emewuro man gara mako wie kire mabunu enkonom emman kofo hakase emro man nti bambofo a ewotema so hyengina bia akwakire enobia ne boso mbese 20 million Ghana cedis anka kiremu a efiro man Ghana enani akire Niger.
Tema Port and the Kotoka International Airport. Drugs are not imported through our land borders. And therefore, I encourage all the stakeholders, all our security agencies, to confiscate any drugs, even if it is paracetamol, and it's going through our land borders. And the president has also committed that he is going to provide all the logistics it takes for us to effectively fight the influx of opioids in this country.
Food and Drugs Authority in Penninfonso Ecohobia, Okohunusa Enuboni, Penninpa Wada, FDA no the list, Mimidako, or the Sansemi Etuja.
The consignment mainly, I think they were trying to hide these opioids inside. None of the products is registered by the FDA. There's no name of manufacturer also on the label. So it's everything, but you cannot tell where it's coming from. We assume it's coming from India because normally when you take the strip out, you find made in India. But that is all.
Abanso afohwe ensase ene fomagudie to ensam so eyonmonyamfo Emmanuel ama kofibua opende abetudwa se sempanfo betimi ahwe aboa esinsuan eye akwan afaso etu fomagudie basa oyemamu esifomtino wapa ekobi so onhwe omontente ewo Ghana ensu awdo se na bia wona eye sanboni ebetimi aso wonpachi.
At the heart of why we are here is the Blue Water Initiative. And at the heart of this initiative lies the Blue Water Guards program, which aims to train, this year alone, 2,000 dedicated individuals across the country to protect our valuable water bodies. Water guards will serve as the frontline defenders of our rivers, ensuring that our water resources remain a source of life, livelihood, prosperity for generations to come.
And Wechi Minerals Commission, ya womo so eka adwumayeku a wone asoyeyi beka abomadi sa adwumayi ekira wode wo ho de etaya asoyeyi echi deputy CEO eye Emmanuel Anyima o kire se Blue Water Gas ya sese woje ntitiyeyi obeboa pa abogana enyapade enhoban.
Our mission is to create a win-win environment where mining investment thrives, but not at the expense of our environment or the well-being of our people. We will provide the necessary regulatory support, technical guidance, and oversight to ensure that the Blue Gas are well equipped, executed their mandate effectively.
Assemblyman ya owo in Sakina abato empesuaso ababonte de betudwa se esansema pani empower abanam sifo en commencements na odontino enkaka so do ne ekire na abato empesuaso a omanfo esi adan esi ensuo so ne so ede koka esasa abanam si ne bie ne won mu a obehwa mamamra no aye adwuma.
Why o show opposite side na e down mo sisi wo ho no very serious enso to a ebe to be fan kwara na mo kromo musem ana so koto asase a won so one no be so se udan coordinated director say na Mr. Chief Executive na ye adwuma esi amino ka say aban new government by Chief Executive empower no ena ye ni presiding member so Oga West Municipal Assembly ne misre aban any omanpani mama say onya ntem na empower Municipal Chief Executives no sana be ya ombe start omo adwuma
omanfo a womo nso tete mpatem ho ene Adom news nsentwofo etwetwe nkomo de tudwa ekwan yansuo eyiri ese womo nyapade a womo hwe anim se sa adan ya womo sisi e wo san mpatem ho no nsuo na no won begyae.
Oh, ye pie bada masalaji ho no enti abasa na no ma nya no obi epie akọ bebi a ba ma de ache say ya na joa sabat
how bebre tite senso to a ebeti ma ben ha nyina na enya kwan nko ye shop no yantimi mbie asa aban de ebeti ma aboa ye de a obeti ma aboa ye won boa ye kakra ya de yantimi nka hwe mfa hu say nipa kro ne sika wato na asase awie yantimi nka se mo onse
Embabruko bi ye wo asante achim atwhwede ye no ewo asante achim not mensne mu wo man asante mantem ne de sade eto opemso asante man nyina wura tumfo se tutu abebi anim so besena nada sene galamse eji wo msase akenten na amfana no anto be wie no enso kran ba ye den e de amom
yesi enyina ne se yempe eye galamse so ba atwede eye kuroduam hanom a ensu kese anase ensu batan a etop da ensu mpo atwa no eno na eboa ye sa bia ye ho ene ehunu se eye enkrofo kuro bi ate asimu a omatu amana a omogusu a yebeka se galamse dwumadie no ekoso sa ensu a ye ka ho asemi sa ensu yi ensu timi supply eye dwa so efo srem ese muntwa wani mehwe asante ache atwede afuri se yabopi mpani ene yabopi eye abamu aposifo yenti eyehwe
enwachi ototo sraban se wanya sa akonya ide o de beto aban anim se wohia chips compound ebeboa mapomden so etimi akonkan
so ba atwede eye kuroduam hanom a ensu kese anase ensu batan a etop da ensu mpo atwa no eno na eboa ye sa bia ye ho ene ehunu se eye enkrofo kuro bi ate asimu a omatu amana a omogusu a yebeka se galamse dwumadie no ekoso sa ensu a ye ka ho asemi sa ensu yi ensu timi supply eyedwa so efo srem ese muntwa wani mehwe asante ache atwede afuri se yabopi mpani ene yabopi eye abamu aposifo
na otwi ye twemu anaman bebeto dwa ese odoni echre laboni girls senior high school a ojatana bi afa school nim amajapade ne ma ahye enye asemkuma enam so bi ama enrada oman abansoafo a ohwe adisuan ensemso onmanyamfo haruna edusu ene penfo eboanan ekoskun konstrahwe na se pani bako de atodwa enyina eyesem yempe foto bi emfato se na bi ochena bi bridge ekesesa ebosku de betimi ede aso ansene na se boni anyi anto wonsem.
This is a wake-up call that as government we must have a dedicated emergency fund to respond to such natural emergencies. I was at Nobisco in northern region, I was in another school in the Ashanti region, and today is Labone. But be assured that we will treat this as a national emergency and will respond appropriately and timelessly.
Enrichino headmistress the Malaboni Senior High School Rejoice Akulo echireni so the most wafu so na probably pimu e won sukumu ho.
We received him gladly and we are happy. He even came with the people to refurbish the damaged building and also came along to look at the site or the land for future progress.
Wesu ne bejina anopei kase de besomo ese badwam kase no aha adam ne nyina ebesie yeda ho aba yeba yede da bokatamu ense no achi beko online na nso akohwe ensmaudu a ewonum na mofa nche nura yede tuanum senka ye chesika ewo badwam so eye sika o sika *281# platforms but enyama so mfa nche enye boapayo kra mofa nche pa yese bia se bibedi mo ho few ana betwa ntro bi ena de kirem ne mo mfidie ne de adwuma fide no ho etechema kakra to se mpanefo hwe na etimi ebo akire esese ne kama sem na ya obi edi nkodimu a yemfa 6 enkoda ne 90 esremo enye boapayo so kra na nura ye de announce se ye chat 3000 Ghana cedis ko wi akire 1 peso akra yentimi amfa ama mo fa nche ye da nwa ba ye ba ye de bokata mu nsem eto aso.